Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video I will be discussing one of the very important points related to one of the most important topic of mathematical physics, and that is contour integration. So in the previous videos we have even considered the important points related to contour integration, and I hope that even today's video will help you to revise those points, even to know about the important points. So guys, now let's consider all these important points in this video today. But before proceeding further, I would like to tell you something about the Unacademy Plus subscription. And I hope you all know that we are going to have the well-structured and well-planned courses sessions on Unacademy Learning app by the top educators. So if you want to join the more well-structured and well-planned courses sessions, the live classes on Unacademy Learning app by the top educators, so you can take the Unacademy Plus or Unacademy Iconic subscription. So guys, if anybody will be taking the Plus subscription, they will get these benefits, and if anybody will be taking the Iconic subscription, they will get these benefits. So depending on which one you find more beneficial for yourself, you can take that subscription. And if I'm gonna talk about the other thing, so that is how you can proceed further to take the subscription. So guys, first of all, you can download the Unacademy Learning app. Then you can select the goal, for example CSIR UGC net. After that you can proceed further and you can select whether you want to take the Plus or the Iconic subscription. After that you can select the duration, for how much time you want to take the subscription. Then you can simply write the referral code after selecting the duration, because you will get a place to write the referral code. So when you will write the referral code and you will apply it, at the same time you will get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount by using and by applying the referral code. So you can use and apply the referral code Anjali A Live, as it has been mentioned here on the screen, because by using and by applying this referral code you will be getting the discount, that is 10% discount in the total subscription amount. And guys, all these important courses and the sessions by the top educators will be helping you to understand the new tricks, concepts, right approach to solve the questions, and to have a very good command on many important things. And the discussion will be completely exam oriented. These sessions will also help you in your upcoming CSIR net exam preparation, as well as in the GATE exam preparation and other similar exams preparation. So if you want to attend these sessions, you can take the subscription. Now let's proceed further to do the further discussion. Guys, there are two referral codes, that is Anjali Arora and Anjali A Live. Both are correct, but at a time you can just use one referral code. So any one of these referral codes you can use and apply, and you will be getting the 10% discount in the total subscription amount. Now we will proceed further to discuss the most important points regarding the one type of contour integration. So if you will have any question like integration minus infinity to plus infinity fz dz, so in that case if we have to find the answer for such type of contour integration, so what will be the contour and how we can consider it, let's cover up that part. So basically there is another type of question when we are gonna have a contour given to us. They provide us the integration, the information about the contour. Okay, for example, see such that mod z minus let's say center of the circle will be given to us. Okay, and then a radius equal to radius. Done. So this is one of the equation we are gonna have. So if we are having the contour information given to us, it becomes very easy for us to proceed further and to get the answer for such type of contour integration based question. But if we are having such type of question given to us, okay, so in that case what we will do, in that case we will have to consider the let's say contour in such a way that is, it is the upper half of the complex plane. Okay, it should be the upper half of the complex plane. How? Let me just tell you, like this is the case. Done. So the contour will be in the upper half of the complex plane, this way. Done. You can even include the real axis part and rest upper half of the complex plane. So that's how you will be able to get the contour information for any such type of question. Clear? Now in this case, the steps to solve such type of question will remain same, but where the difference will be there in this type of question. So let's even cover up that part. The step number 1 will be that you have to find the poles. Okay, so what are the poles? Poles are just the finite values of z which can make the function infinity. Clear? Second thing is that if we are gonna consider the next thing, okay, so what will be that after considering the pole, if the pole is lying in this region, that is on the real axis or in the upper half of the complex plane, so in that case what will happen? In this case you will have to proceed further to get the residue at those poles. Otherwise, if any pole is here, 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 like anywhere else except that region, you will not have to consider that pole. Now, after considering the pole, if you have to proceed further to find the residue, you will simply work on finding the residue with the basic formula to find the residue depending on the order of the pole. And after that, what you have to do? So then further you have to consider the integration. Done? Now here comes the next different point. What is that? If the poles you have got, they can be purely real, or they can be imaginary. Done? They can be purely real poles or they can be imaginary poles. Done? So purely real or imaginary. In this case, if I'm going to talk about the final integration answer, if purely real poles you have got, means the poles are lying on this real axis, then you will have to use the integration formula, that is pi iota into sum of residue. If it is gonna be the imaginary or complex number, in that case you can simply use the formula, that is 2 pi iota into sum of residue. Done? So this is the difference in the basic type of contour integration, the fundamental type in which the contour will be given to you, and this type in which the contour has not been given but the integration limits were given to you. So this is mainly for this type of contour integration, the discussion we are doing right now. Done? So that's how we are going to have like the steps which we need to follow to get the answer for any such type of contour integration based questions. Done? So these are the steps you have to take, and there is one more point which we need to discuss, otherwise you may have a confusion regarding that. Now what is that point? Let's say you got the pole and pole is 100 iota. So then what will happen? This is just the imaginary part. It will be on the imaginary axis here. So 100 iota means what? 100 iota means somewhere here you can have it, somewhere here 1000 iota and lakhs, or like anything like that. So still you will consider it, still you have to find the residue on that pole because it's in that same region. Region is not having any kind of such boundary that you can just take till 100 till 50 or anything. No, if it is lying in such region, you have to consider that pole and you have to find the residue. Okay, so if the pole can be here, here, here on this axis, in this axis, and anywhere. So difference I have told you, if the pole is purely real, you have to use this formula corresponding to that pole when you will find the residue. If the pole is imaginary or let's say complex number, you can go for this formula for the integration. Another thing, if you have to like you are getting the poles which are real as well as imaginary, so you can finally write I is equal to pi iota into sum of residue for those poles which were real, okay, plus 2 pi iota into sum of residue for those poles which were imaginary or complex numbers. So you will be adding them. Okay, that's how you can get your final answer. So I hope now each and everything is clear to all of you guys, but in case if you will have any doubt anywhere, you can surely tell me about it and we will consider those points. Now if you want to attend the more regular live classes by the top educators on Unacademy learning app, because these sessions can even help you a lot to take your preparation to the next level, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. And guys, whenever you will take the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code either Anjali Arora as mentioned here on the screen or Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen. So by using and by applying these referral codes, you will be getting the 10% discount in the total subscription amount. Done? So that's how guys, everything can help you a lot to do the best preparation for the upcoming exam. Even if there is any course which is already going on and you find beneficial for you, okay, and you want to check out the sessions of that course, so you will be able to check out the recordings of those sessions too, and that's how you will be able to cover up each and everything and you will not miss anything. So I hope now everything is clear to all of you guys, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Thank you.